Hello everybody and welcome to Astro Ontario. Today we're going to be showing you how we replaced the door handle in our 2004 Chevy Astro.
Hey guys, it's Cole. We're back in the van. Now that it's started, we're going to fix something else that we need to get it safetied, which is the driver's side door. As it is, the whole interior panel of the door is off, but the handle also doesn't open from the outside of the door. So we're going to try and reattach that handle. Wow, the sun is really in my eyes. That's fine. We're going to try and reattach the handle, tighten it so that it works, and then reattach the door panel.
That one right in there. And then once you get the bracket off, it makes it pull.
Change the door handles on this van.
Us.
I'll show you a quick, easy way right now.
Throws the door in the garbage. Imagine. This is the easiest way. It's currently the 22nd of December. There we go. If you need my help, just let me know. So Kelly right now is attempting to take the two bolts from the inner side of the door out so that we can take the handle off and assess if the rubber has just slipped or if it's broken and needs to be replaced.
On the right of the screen.
Yeah.
And the pole is right in front of the screen.
Okay, I see it, yeah.
You can't see it on the camera, I don't think, but...
Yeah, it's right, like, there.
The freeze frame picture on the screen here shows the top and bottom bolt and where they're located to hold in the door handle, where the access point is from the side of the door, and what you'll see if you're looking in through the top of the door panel.
The wrong way. That's fine.
I want it to take it all the way off.
So we don't have a skinny wrench to be able to reach the second bolt, but we do have some unconventional tool options here that we're gonna try.
Let's try.
Again, it's snowing like crazy outside, so I'm gonna put the camera on the dash and to see what we can see. Right. I probably put it down inside. Don't look at it. Worry about it.
I was just thinking that.
Hey everyone, it's part 2 of putting the door handle in another snowstorm. Everything is full of snow and it's freezing out, but we're gonna get this done. So, I don't know what you'll be able to see from here, but you'll be able to hear us getting everything done. Alright. Good. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, so you can show the camera that we just broke off the old handle where it was attached with the rubber spot.
The problem happened is the plastic piece here is what broke off. Oh, I'm not in the frame. The plastic piece that's supposed to be here to hold the pole is what was not working.
So Kelly
other
literally
handle.
just snapped it off after we were able to get those bolts out.
The other handle has this plastic thing here.
Which is where the rod clips in and then goes through that hole beside the plastic piece to be able to work the mechanism to unlock the door from the outside. Alright. If you want me to try, just let me know.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know if like putting oil on it would help.
Maybe the WD-40, yeah. So we are at low battery here, and we're just gonna take a break to re-look it up because the door is currently out of service. We just stuffed that in there because of the mass amounts of snow. So we got our bag in the door handle right now, and we're gonna go reassess the situation. How do you feel, Cal?
A bit discouraged, but hopeful I can figure it out.
Alright. It's only been a couple hours. We've received a couple more inches of snow. Currently the 23rd of December, 11 o'clock at night, and we're going to attempt the door. Put some WD-40 in there.
Need all the help we can get.
It's true. Let's see if I can do this. So you put it, which way does this go again? This way?
Yeah.
Are we sure it's this way?
Like open the hinge. Like open it. Open the car handle.
through. There's something else to grab onto. Be nice. Because I just need to get that part over there. Can you get me a screwdriver or something? Let me try again. No, it's okay. It's almost there, babe. It's almost there. Yeah. Oh my god, I got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got it. We got it, babe. We did it. We did it.
Now let's hope that we put this in on the right way.
Oh my god.
Holy
Alright,
cow.
I hope so too. Currently the 29th of December. We got the driver's side handle in through Amazon this morning. And Kelly went back to work today, so it is nighttime. Evening, I guess. And we're going to attempt to put on the driver's side door handle. One step closer to getting it safety. Kelly right now is just gathering all the supplies. I have the door handle in my hand here, along with a light. It's just an aftermarket door handle. We bought it for like $16 on Amazon and signed up for Prime shipping. It's the first time we've ever gotten anything off Amazon, so it was quite exciting. What would you say, Cal?
Yeah. It was good, bad timing since we ordered it on the 23rd as they closed down for Christmas.
Yeah.
So it took more than the 2 business days, but
Yeah, but we finally got it now in my hands here, and we're going to attempt to install it. We got a lot of practice with the other door handle not working out, so I think we'll be able to get this one on hopefully a little bit faster than what we were able to do beforehand. So as you can see, we just have a bag in the door handle right now. Very sophisticated way of keeping the snow and the precipitation out. Alright, I'm just blinding myself with that light there. Alright, is it wet in the car?
Mm-hmm.
Is it wet in the car?
in the car? No.
Oh, perfect.
Well,
So the...
It's a little wet now from my boots.
Oh, yeah. I was wondering if the bag had worked.
Oh, there is no water that I can see.
Perfect. Alright, so
Yeah, I'm gonna dry
great quick solution
off the area.
is a bag inside the door handle. Not great if you're in a place with high theft area there. We're in a quiet residential neighborhood, so it works out great for
And
us.
today's really the first time it's sort of raining. Prior to this, it was like snow.
Yeah.
So
So it worked in like the light snow precipitation. I don't know about the rain, but
yeah.
thank God we've got the handle now, so hopefully we can get this going. Alright, so here's where we are. Just drying out the seam here. Now, if you remember, there is a rod inside, and I'm not sure if we actually still have that footage because of the computer crash, so maybe I'll just explain what we're doing here. Or have a voiceover if it's too awkward for me to talk. Okay, so there's a little rod inside of there, right there. And we've got to pull that rod out, attach it to the plastic clip on the door handle, which is right there. It goes through there and then clips on, and that will cause the door mechanism to work.
You have the handle?
Yep.
I'm just gonna practice putting these bolts on. See
Sure.
how difficult they are.
It's not bad?
Yeah, I'll do it easily.
Great. So Kelly right now is just practicing putting the bolts on, so that we know how to get them on the door handle when we get the handle in.
I just want to make sure like getting it inside.
So gotta maneuver that thing inside of there.
Oh, there we go.
Yes. Perfect. Now we gotta do the bolts. Well, I guess we should check. Does it work? Spooky vibes. It's not focusing, so you look like a ghost. There we go. Uh-oh. I
think I was supposed to
that
do
back
that.
down. No, that's what we had happen last time, remember?
Yeah.
We had to pry it. Alright, so I guess we're gonna have to pry it open now. Like. So Kelly's just trying to pry that open right now. That is the launch mechanism that could possibly be broken and possibly be why the car door is not working. Alright. We had this happen once before where it moved on us while we were first trying to figure out the handle. And we just pried it with a screwdriver until it was able to get back down, so that's what we're doing now. And hopefully Kelly's able to free it there. Can also try. Oh no.
I don't know what that was.
I think it just buckled. It's almost down. Oh.
Is there something that locks it that way?
I don't think so. I think it's the door latch mechanism.
Like, is it supposed to move up like this at all?
I don't know. I guess we could research that. When we get in. Oh. I sprayed a little WD-40 there. Let's get some lubricant to try and loosen that up. See if it works in the latch mechanism. I don't know how far down it was. Probably farther than that, right?
Oh, yeah. But I just don't know what locks it there.
Yeah, I'm not sure. You could try with the locks of the door if you want to try like locking or unlocking. But it might be like the latch.
Yeah, I did try.
More movement. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, you want to explain what happened?
Alright, so it was a quick
You gotta
YouTube
put some
video to show
light on, yeah.
we just had to open the door handle to move the latch. So that was easy. We got it figured out. Then we put a whole bunch of lubricants on there.
Yep.
Jiggled everything around.
Yep.
And then we just thought we'd give it a shot. And upon first inspection, it doesn't look like it's going to work. We just got to give it a little tug. And we did it!
We did it! We fixed it! So it was the latch.
It
Confirmed, that is corroded a little bit or rusted or just not, it's just
There's
seized
a lot
up.
of dirt and stuff in there that I cleaned up.
So, and the plastic part is peeling on the side there, but what we're going to do when we get a little farther along is probably replace that, but we do need a ratcheting, or what is it, a torque screwdriver?
Ratchet, maybe?
Yeah, we do need a torque ratchet to be able to take off the bolts. Here, I'm just going to show. To take off those bolts there. So, probably a little bit further down the line, maybe even after we're able to get it safetied, we can order that part and the torque screwdriver and probably replace that whole latch if it's easy enough for us to do, because yeah, it's stuck, but whew, accomplished. That's awesome, babe.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. It's currently the 31st of December, or New Year's Eve here in Ontario, and we got the door working. How do you feel about that, Cal?
Very.
We're just using small puck lights here, as we do.
Got the 10 minutes.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. So, and we'll just have to place everything where it needs to be. So there's the interior handle. The interior handle for the window crank is inside the van. It fell off a couple days ago. I guess last week now. So we just gotta put that back on the track. Hopefully that's easy.